In this video, I'm going to show you how you can check the saved password from Safari browser. You will also see the username also. So let's see how we can do this thing. At first, I'm going to open Safari browser, and once Safari browser is opened, it will be looking like that. Now, from the Safari menu, there is Safari file, this type of menu is there. Just click over there and it will bring these menus. From here, we have to choose settings. I'm going to click settings and very shortly it will be opened like this. You need to click password, this tab. There are a couple of tabs there. We just need to access password. And once you are there, you will find open passwords. You just need to click here and very shortly it is asking you to type the password. You have to type your computer, that means your Mac password. I'm going to type the password for my Mac. And once I type the password, then we have to hit return key of our keyboard. I just clicked here over there and then very shortly it will bring like this type of window. Here we will see all the saved password is there. Like for example, Dropbox. Here I see this is the username and this is the password and website, everything is there. When the password window will be opened, at the time you will see the password field is like ... everything. So to check the password, we can move our cursor over there and the text will be visible. So I'm going to move my cursor over there and see here it is showing the password. Now we can copy it and we can use the same password to log in Dropbox. We can also like copy password different ways also, like right click and then here you have option like copy username, copy password, copy website, everything you can do. You can also remove the password which you don't need it anymore. So suppose Dropbox you don't need it anymore, you can also delete it. You can right click and very shortly you will it will bring this type of option, delete. You can delete the password which is not required anymore by this way also. And that's it. In this way we can easily find the saved password from our Safari browser on our Mac.